Are you struggling to find the right supplier for your importation business? Or maybe you have been scammed or bought low-quality goods before? Well, in this video, I'll break down what sourcing really means and show you how to source like a pro, even if you are just starting. So welcome on board. My name is Blessing, and I'm talking to you from the city of Port Harcourt, Nigeria. On this channel, we talk about importation in depth, money-making, and personal development. What is sourcing? It simply means finding and buying products from a reliable supplier, usually from countries like China, to sell in your own country. Why is sourcing very important? If you get sourcing wrong, your whole business can fail. Bad sourcing can lead to very low products, loss of money, customer complaints, and make you look unreliable. But good sourcing gives you quality products, you maximize profits, happy and satisfied customer, a strong, reliable business, and peace of mind. Now you can source your products from trusted platforms like 1688, Alibaba, Pindodo. These platforms connect you directly to manufacturers and suppliers if you do your sourcing very well. Common mistakes to avoid when sourcing: going for ridiculously cheap products, not verifying the supplier well enough, ordering in bulk without testing out the product, ignoring communication issues, not chatting with suppliers.
So let's go ahead so that I can show us how to practically source products from 1688. Okay, so we're going to do that practically. I'll show us how to do that. So we'll go over to our 1688 app. You click on it and then you let it load. Now, as you can see, it has loaded. So what do we do now? You go ahead and look for a particular product you want to buy. Okay, or you want to use keywords to search for the product. You can go ahead and use your keyword here in the search box, in the search bar. Here is where you type in keywords. Keywords. If you're looking for something like sneakers for men, sneakers for ladies, sneakers for children, or you're looking for ladies' bags or office bags for ladies, you want to use keywords to search out for items. Now, let's go ahead and use keywords. I want to be fast so that we can achieve a lot. Go ahead and type in ladies heels. Let's do heels, ladies heels. All right, now we click on search. So it's going to bring out a whole lot of ladies heels, right? Now you look at them, scroll up, and you pick the one you want to buy. Okay, so once you are comfortable with a particular shoe you want to buy, all you need to do is take a picture of that. All you need is just click on it. So let's go with this red shoe, or this oxblood shoe. Let's go with this oxblood heels. So when you get here and you want to really buy this particular shoe, so for you to source properly like a pro, you don't go ahead and begin to, you conclude by looking at this product, look at it very well, look at the ratings, look at everything, and then decide to buy. No, what you do is you download this particular product you see here, you download it. Once you download it, you can now go and do picture search. You go and do picture search so that you can get a whole lot of other suppliers for this particular product. What I'm giving you guys is premium. You will not see this training on anywhere on this, whether YouTube or Facebook or wherever. I'm giving you guys premium training, so you better hop on this. Now what you do, you click on this. If you don't like this particular one, you want to have a clearer view of this particular heels, you get a clearer picture, the one that's very clear. Okay, I think this is okay. This should do. Oh, what do you think? This is okay, right? So you now click on it, click on this on it. So once you click on it, you go ahead and click on this icon here. You click on that icon. That's a download symbol. And you can see it says save the current picture. Click one click to save all pictures. The heels comes in 7 colors. Yeah, 7 different pictures, either colors or different styles of picture of this particular shoe. So let's just click on save the current picture. Now you click on it, it will save. So it is right now in your gallery. So what do you do to really source properly? What you do now is you go now to your gallery. Now let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. So once you get here, what you do, you go straight to your camera. Go straight to this camera. You want to click on it. When you click on that camera icon, it will take you straight to your gallery where you will pick this particular hues that we have saved. Okay? Now let's go. You click on the camera. You click on the shoe. Can you see that? So once you click on the camera, it will take you to your gallery where you will now click on that shoe that you saved. Now this is it. This is the particular shoe, the heels that we saved. Now look at it. There are lots of other suppliers selling this particular shoe. Now this is where the sourcing comes in. Now you begin to look at this, you begin to, as you're clicking, you can just look at one particular, like this one now is certified merchant. Majority of them here are certified merchant. So you click on it. Let's click on this particular one. Sorry, I'm a bit fast. I don't want the video to be too long so that we can cover a lot. So when you click on this, you want to look at the major thing to look at. You want to look at the reviews, okay? You want to look at the review. You want to look at the purchase rates, and you want to look at this. Very important. You want to look at the purchase rate. You want to look at the service score. You want to look at the delivery time. You want to look at the store positive review. All of this you want to look at and be sure that they are okay, right? We're not going to go into that too much. Then you want to come down again and you also want to chat with the supplier. Look at this. You want to come here, go to the store. This store will tell you whether this person is a legit supplier. This store, for you to know a legit supplier should sell only one particular product. If the supplier is selling shoe, it should be just heels, different kinds of heels, different kinds of shoes. You should not be selling bag, should not be selling kettle or kitchen utensils, and then be selling toys, and then be selling clothing. No, it should just be one particular kind of product. When you see a supplier selling one particular kind of product, you know that yes, this is a legit supplier, a manufacturer. So that's where you find out that when you go to the store. Another thing you want to do, you want to go to chat. You want to chat with the supplier. Click on that chat icon. You'll be able to chat with the supplier, right? So if you like this, you can now save it here. Okay. So all of this you want to go through, and you see this icon here. This icon, there's this icon we saw here. This particular icon here. This icon here. It's not everybody that has it. It's a very, very important icon. As you can see, it says certified merchant. So when you see something like this, it speaks a whole lot about that supplier. It means that that supplier, to a great or to a large extent, is a legit supplier. Okay. So there are a lot of things you need to check out. Now, if you look at the price of this particular, you check out the price of this particular, you want to look at the price. What is the price? How much is this person selling? Okay, this one is selling 20 yuan, right? 20 yuan for one piece. Okay, now you want to check for another one. Check another one again. Check the price. This one is selling for 19 yuan. Then you want to check the attributes. You want to also check the return rate. How many years has it been in business? It has been in business for 3 years. You want to check the attributes. You want to check a whole lot of things before you now decide which one to buy. So before you actually decide which one you're going to buy from, you would have checked like 3 to 5 for a beginner. You would have checked at least 3 to 5 suppliers. But for those that are into the business already, they can check like 3. They know what to do. But for you that just starting, you want to check like 3 to 5 suppliers before you are comfortable. You would have chatted. You would have asked them to send you live videos of this particular, live pictures, live videos of this particular hues, so that you know that yes, you go to review section, read what others that have bought are saying. A lot of things are involved in sourcing. So you want to really, really do all of these checks before you now decide that okay, I want to go ahead and buy from this supplier. So you see, it's not just you come to the app, you just see something you like, piam, you go and buy. No, 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 no. Because everything you see here that is glittering is not gold. So you want to do your checks, be sure of what you are buying before you go ahead and buy. Okay? So this is basically what sourcing is, so you don't just go and buy blindly.
Now you understand sourcing in importation and how to do it the right way. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more videos like these. Be safe out there. Bye for now.